I'm going to show you guys why, in my opinion, right now, Codex 5.2 is the best coding model and exactly how and where I use it. Let's jump into things. Okay, so last night, inside the Visual Studio Code extension, right, guys, please just bear this in mind. In my opinion, it's the best in the Visual Studio Code extension. Make sure that you're on GPT 5.2 Codex and make sure you are on extra high. I gave this an incredibly complicated task. Basically, I wanted to take the Harbor backlinking feature, which I'll just show you right now. If you don't know, we basically added automated buying and reporting of backlinks on Harbor, right? So I can view my campaign here. I can see the links that have been built. And also, if I go on here, you can configure the amount of links that you want per month. So someone can press get started, for example, and use the code half price links, I think it is, and then apply. And then they purchase a link building package, right, starting at 187 euros per month. We build links, we upload links here because I'm an admin. I can upload links. I won't click here. I don't want to dox people, right? And then and then I gave this incredibly complicated task of taking that and putting it into Income Stream Surfer, right? I've just redone my website and I wanted the same feature inside incomestreamsurfer.com, the exact same feature, right? So everything, if you're on an admin account, you can see the admin dashboard, which I should be able to show you guys. Just give me a second. Back. No. Okay, so it's here. So obviously these are just me doing a test. Let me just click the, oh, no, still on. So I can manage them, right? I can select CSV. I can upload people's backlinking campaigns. We can report on them automatically. And it one-shot this entire feature. It worked for about 2 hours without asking me a single question. And it built this entire page, this entire feature. It made all of the changes that I wanted, including the announcement bar at the top here. It added the new service here, manual backlinking, right? Learn about manual backlinking, view plans. You can go to campaign dashboard. All of this was one shot because Harbor and IncomeStreamSurfer.com are both built on Convex and Next.js. I can reuse these components. But if I asked Claude Code to do this, it would not have done this amount of work. Claude Code, in comparison, is lazy. I'm telling you guys. Right now, as of today, ChatGPT, OpenAI, whatever, they have a vested interest in convincing us that their model is not as lazy and is better than Claude's models, right? Which, as of today, in my opinion, is true. Now, like I said, this is only inside the Visual Studio Code extension. I haven't really tried the CLI as much. I don't like the CLI that OpenAI has. I much prefer using it inside the Visual Studio Code extension. This is by far the best coding tool that I have used in the last 6 months to a year, probably since Claude Code first came out with those, or Opus 4.5 came out at first. They've now been nerfed, in my opinion. But Codex, like I said, they're trying to fight with Claude, and the only way they can do that is probably by burning through money to try and convince us that their models are better. As of today, I would say that 5.2 Codex is better inside Codex than Opus 4.5 is inside Claude Code. You can call me crazy. Try it out for yourselves, guys. Like I said, this is just going to be a short video. I just want to tell people and keep people up to date with these things. Codex is, in my opinion, better than Claude Code as of today. Now, Claude Code can do different things, sub-agents, what is it, Ralph Wiggum plugin, all of these things. I don't care about any of that noise. I care about raw coding power. And as of today, in my opinion, Codex 5.2 GPT has better raw coding power than Opus 4.5 inside Claude Code. Leave me a comment if you think I'm crazy. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.